Welcome back to another Motor Age Service Done Right video. With hybrids on the rise and EVs taking center stage, are you equipped for the future? Today we're diving into Autel's EV Intelligent Diagnostic Tools, and it is made possible by WORLDPAC. WORLDPAC not only is a wholesale distributor of original equipment automotive replacement parts, but they also support your business in more ways through delivering top-level training covering both technical and business management, online parts cataloging and an ordering system that is second to none, marketing support, and tool and equipment support to help your business deliver cutting-edge service. Hi, this is Scott Brown, and today we're talking about a game-changing diagnostic solution for EVs and hybrids thanks to Autel's new line of EV Intelligent Diagnostic Tools. Autel's highly capable tools offer advanced diagnostics for US, European, and Asian vehicles covering electric, gas, diesel, and hybrids. Autel's new game-changing EV diagnostic tooling and software can deliver new perspectives for technicians. For supported vehicles, a new battery pack layout screen provides the technician with an intuitive view of the battery modules with live data showing min, max, average temperature of each module along with a balancing value. And just like in the old days of being able to use a carbon pile to load test a battery, the technician can proceed to road test the vehicle in a safe manner and load the traction battery, making observations. Now, as of today, Autel doesn't offer a recording mode for this operation, but that doesn't mean you cannot record. And what I like to do for this is after setting up the display, click on the Android system icon and look for the screen recorder app. Select it and then start the recording. Then click on the vehicle icon to resume the battery pack display page and then commence road testing the vehicle. While on the road test, it's a good idea to include a rigorous safe acceleration provided by a strong regeneration period. These are the two areas that you will look for long periods of excessive cell balancing issues. And after returning to the shop, you can either stop the recording or hit the other two tabs so that you can allow the screen recorder to acquire that data, which might be useful in the future. After the recording has been stopped, it can be found in the movie storage location within the Android file system, which we'll talk about in a moment. Back on the battery pack display screen, each module can be selected where a pop-up will present a scrolling window allowing the technician to observe the voltage for each cell. And as mentioned earlier, the additional two tabs provide information about the battery. And by the way, this is the same information you can get when you perform an isolated view of the battery pack utilizing the EV Diag box and the specialized connectors and jumpers, which we'll talk about in a moment. From here, you can hit the report icon and produce a nicely formatted PDF you can attach to your repair order. Now, reviewing the recorded file is easy. Use the ES File Explorer and browse on over to the Movies folder to locate your screen recording movie. Open up the movie and the tablet will allow you to scrub through the movie looking for notable moments. And if you find something of interest, long press on the camera icon to create a screenshot. From there, you can also attach those images to your repair order as well. As mentioned earlier, Autel has a wide variety of direct plug-in adapters for the EV Diag box that can be used to wake up the battery management system separate of the vehicle and perform an interrogation. The EV Diag box will need to be powered up by the included power adapter, and then the VCI will connect to the J1962 OBD2 port on the side of the Diag box, and on the other side is where the specialized connectors will connect. Autel's on-screen instructions simplify this process. And what that means is that not only can you interrogate a battery on a vehicle, but it may come in handy if you want to interrogate a used battery module you might be considering as a replacement. So that's it. As you can see, Autel has really stepped up its capabilities within the world of hybrid and battery electric vehicles. And finally, here are two other points I'd like to make. Be sure to stay on top of your updates as Autel is continuously working on adding more capabilities through these timely updates. And for situations where you encounter issues, use the built-in reporting system so that Autel engineering can assist. So as you can see, the Autel EV Diagnostic System is a highly capable tool that can help you advance your service offerings, and it is available through WORLDPAC. And remember, don't miss out on WORLDPAC's complete line of professional products. For more information on what WORLDPAC has to offer, please visit worldpac.com. Well, I hope you found this information beneficial, and if you have any questions or comments, please leave them below, and thanks for watching.